Firefighters in San Jose have their hands full this morning. You are taking a live look right now at another fire scene. This is the 10,000 block of Kenilworth Way. This is in the northeast part of San Jose. Crews were called there for reports of a garage fire. It appears to be a house that was under renovation. No injuries have been reported this morning. And another fire broke out on the city's east side earlier today. This is on South Capitol Avenue near Story Road at a building that houses the California Teachers Association and some other local teachers unions. This was reported just after 2 a.m. There are no reports of any injuries and nothing to indicate anybody was inside at the time. No word yet on a possible cause.